In this video, we will do some more question on the chapter trial balance and rectification of error. In this video, we will be doing question number 10 as well as one more question. The next question also, question number 11 also we will be doing, because the earlier video we have done question number 7 and 8, and in this video we will be doing question number 10 and 11 also. Let us see very first question. I have already drawn the three columns, that is correct entry, wrong entry and the rectified entry. The very first entry, credit sales to Mohan 7,000 was posted to Karan. Now as you know, credit sales to Mohan 7,000. If sales are made, then entry will be, the sales is made to Mohan. Entry will be Mohan account debit to sales. Mohan account debit to sales account. The amount is 7,000. Next, it is written that it has been posted to current account. Means instead of Mohan, it has been posted to current account, because these entries are posted. Means it will be posted in Mohan account. This sales will be posted in the sales account. But this Mohan, instead of Mohan, it has been posted to current account. So the entry, wrong entry is current account debit. Current account debit to sales account 7,000. Now see, you can see what is the wrong entry here. Here sales is to be credited and sales has already been credited. The amount is also same. So there is nothing, the issue with the sales account is not there, because sales account should have been credited and it has also been credited. Now where the wrong entry is there, Mohan account should have been debited, but it has not been debited. Then what we have to do, since his account was not debited, so we will debit Mohan's account. Mohan's account will be debited. Mohan account debit 7,000. Now this entry has been also done. Now current account has been debited, but this is the wrong entry. Means current account should not have been debited. In order to cancel this debit, we have to credit current account. So we will write it to current account. To current account 7,000. Now this, the wrong has been also rectified here. Now here you can see the debit and the credit both are equal, that is 7,000. So this is the rectification entry for question number 10A. This is for question number 10A. Let us come to question number 10B. Credit purchase from Rohan were posted to Govind. Now here the, instead of sales, here purchase is there. Credit purchase from Rohan. If you purchase goods, then the entry will be purchases account debit. Purchases account debit. This purchase is from Rohan. Purchases account debit to Rohan. This is the correct entry. That is 9,000 is there. But it has been posted to Govind. Means purchase has been made from Rohan, but instead of Rohan, it has been recorded as, it has been posted to Govind account. So wrong entry is purchase account debit. Purchases account debit to Govind account 9,000. Now you can see here purchase account should be debited and it has also been debited. So nothing wrong is there in this entry. There is nothing we have to do regarding purchase, because purchase is to be debited, it has been debited also. The wrong is what? Rohan account should have been credited, but it has not been credited. Then what we have to do? We have to credit Rohan account. Rohan account will be credited. Now this has been done. Rohan account should have been credited. Since it has not been credited, that is why we have credited Mohan account. Govind account has been wrongly credited. In order to cancel the credit, we have to debit Govind account. Entry will be Govind account debit. Govind account debit 9,000. Now you can see the debit and credit are both are equal. That is Govind account debit to Rohan account. The amount is also same. So this is our rectification entry. For question number B, 10th B. Let us come to question number, instead of this, 10th question number E part. C and D we are not doing. Here there is purchase return and sales return are there. Cash sales per day. Cash sales 2000 were posted to commission account. Sales has been made and it is a cash sale. If you are selling goods and you are receiving cash, entry will be cash account debit to sales. Cash account debit to sales account. Amount is 2000. 2000. Cash account debit to sales account. Instead of cash sales, it has been posted to commission account. Means this was a sale which was made. This is a cash sale. Cash sales are recorded in cash book, and from cash book it will be transferred to the sales account. But by wrongly it has been transferred or it has been posted to this commission account. So the wrong entry has been cash account debit to commission. To commission account 2000. Now you can see the cash is to be debited, it has also been debited, cash account debit. So nothing wrong is there in the cash account. Sales account should have been credited, but it has not been credited here. You can see commission account has been credited. So in order to cancel this commission, since commission was wrongly credited, so in order to cancel this, we will debit commission account. We will be writing commission account debit. Commission account debit 2000. This wrong has been rectified. Now sales should have been credited, it has not been credited, so sales will be credited. Entry will be to sales account 2000. Now you can see the debit and credit both are equals. Commission account debit to sales. This will be the rectification entry. Let us come to question number 11 now. This is question number 10 we have done. Now come to question number 11. Question number 11, the first one is credit sales to Mohan 7000 were posted to the credit office account. Credit sales to Mohan 7000. Now, first of all, we will call the correct entry. Credit sales to Mohan entry will be Mohan account debit to sales. Mohan account debit to sales account. Amount is 7000. This is the correct entry. Credit sales to Mohan, entry will be Mohan account debit to sales, amount is 7000. Now this has been posted to the credit office account. This has been posted to the credit office account. So the wrong entry is to sales account 7000. Now here it is given that it has been posted to the credit office account. Means Mohan account should have been debited, but wrongly it has been credited. Means it has been wrongly posted to the credit office account. Means Mohan was credited. So wrong entry is Mohan account debit. Sorry, Mohan account credit 7000. There is no debit is there. It means this was the correct entry, but in sales book it was recorded correctly. In sales book it was recorded correctly, but instead of Mohan account being debited, wrongly it has been credited. Instead of debit side of Mohan account, it has been transferred to credit side of Mohan account. Now you can see what will the correct entry. First of all, the sales account was to be credited, it has already been credited. So there is no issue with regard to sales. Here Mohan account should have been debited, it has not been debited. So we will debit Mohan account. Mohan account debit. Mohan account debit 7000. Now this error has been rectified. Now you can see this Mohan was wrongly credited. In order to cancel this entry also, we will debit Mohan account with 7000. Means 7000 debit already we have done. 7000 more debit we will be doing in order to cancel this entry also to Mohan account 7000. Means Mohan account 7000 will be debited with 7000 more. Now you can see Mohan account debit 7,000. Instead of debiting Mohan account twice, we can write here directly 14,000. Here we can write 14,000. We do not have to write Mohan account twice. Now you can see this has also been rectified. So nothing is left to rectify. Now only debit amount has been written. There is no account to be credited. So when there is no account to be credited in case of rectification entry, then what we do? We transfer the balance to a new account which is known as suspense account. We will be writing here to suspense account. To suspense account 14,000. Because debit should be equal to credit, that is why suspense account will be credited with rupees 14,000. Now let us do the next 11, question number 11b. Credit purchase from Rohan 9,000 were posted to the debit of his account at 6,000. Credit purchase from Rohan, first of all the correct entry. Credit purchase from Rohan, goods are purchased, entry will be purchases account debit. Purchases account debit to Rohan account 9,000. This is the correct entry. Credit purchase from Rohan 9,000. Now this is credit purchase from Rohan 9,000. What are the wrong entries? It has been posted to the debit of his account as 6,000. Now, it has been posted to the debit of his account. Means this was to be recorded in the, first of all, credit purchases. When credit purchases are made, it is recorded in the purchase book, and from purchase book it will be transferred to the concerned partners, you can say vendors account. Credit purchases from Rohan means it will be posted to Rohan's account and Rohan's account will be credited. But instead of credit, it has been posted to the debit of his account. Instead of Rohan account being credited, it has been posted to his account as a debit, and moreover the amount is also 6,000. First of all, it has been posted. So the wrong entry will be purchase account debit. Purchases account debit. This is 9,000. So there is nothing wrong in the purchases. Means purchase account was correctly recorded. But it was posted, means this posting in from Rohan to Rohan's account, it should have been posted in the credit side as 9,000. Instead of posting to the credit side, it has been debited. Rohan account has been debited with rupees 6,000, not 9,000 also. And there is no credit. There is no credit. This is the wrong entry actually. This is the wrong entry you can say. Now purchase account has been debited, it should have been debited also. So there is nothing wrong in purchase. Now what is the correct entry? Rohan account should have been credited. So what we have to do? His account was not credited. So we will credit Rohan account. We will be writing to Rohan account. To Rohan account 9,000. Now this error has been rectified. Now wrongly Rohan's account has been debited. So in order to cancel this debit, we will credit Rohan account to Rohan account. And amount will be, this debit is of 6,000. So we will credit Rohan account with 6,000. Now you can see Rohan account has been credited twice. Once for 9,000, then 6,000. Instead of crediting twice, we will debit with 9,000 plus 6,000, 15,000. Total 15,000 debit we can credit, we can write. We can credit Rohan with total amount and only once we have to write. Now this has also been rectified. Now you see everything has been rectified, nothing is left. So since here is you can say no other account should be debited, because in rectification entry one aspect should be debited, other should be credited. Since no other account is there, we will open suspense account and the balance, this 15,000, will be transferred to suspense account. Suspense account debit 15,000. This is the second one. Let us come to the third. Question number 11C. Goods returned to Rakesh 4,000 were posted to the credit of his account. Question number C. Goods returned to Rakesh. Goods had been returned. Returning goods to Rakesh means what? It was purchased, that is why it is being returned to Rakesh. Goods is returned to Rakesh. Returned to Rakesh means first it was purchased, then it was it is being returned. Means this is a purchase return. Goods return means it is a purchase return. So, and it has been returned to Rakesh. Entry will be Rakesh account debit. Rakesh account debit to purchase return. To purchase return account. Amount is 4,000. 4,000. Here also 4,000. This is the entry. Here Rakesh is getting the goods, means when purchase return is there, Rakesh will receive the goods, and as you know, for rule for the personal account is debit the receiver. So Rakesh will be receiving the goods which was purchased, and then it is being returned to Rakesh. So this is the correct entry. Now this, what is the wrong has been? It has been posted to the credit of his account. Means instead of Rakesh being debited, it has been posted to the credit of his account. Means the wrong entry is to Rakesh account. This is the wrong entry. 4,000. Means instead of Rakesh being debited, wrongly it has been credited. But there is no wrong in the purchase return. It was correctly recorded. Means to purchase return. There is nothing wrong in purchase recording purchase return. Purchase return account. 4,000. There is no debit here. Now you can see what is the correct entry. Rakesh account should have been debited. It has not been debited. So what we will do? We will debit Rakesh account. Rakesh account debit. Amount is 4,000. So this has been rectified. Now see, purchase return. It is to be credited. Purchase return has been credited. So there is nothing wrong. So we do not have to do anything with it. Rakesh's account has been credited, but it has wrongly been credited. In order to cancel this credit, we will debit Rakesh's account with 4,000 more. Already Rakesh's account has been debited with 4,000. In order to cancel this, again we will debit Rakesh's account. Instead of to cancel this credit, we will debit Rakesh's account with 4,000. So total debit to Rakesh will amount to rupees 4,000 plus 4,000, 8,000. So this has also been rectified. Now other entries there. It means there is no other account to be credited. So we will credit here again suspense account. Suspense account credit 8,000. Now this is C. Now let us do the next one. Question E we are doing. We are leaving the D part. Question E. Cash sales 2,000 are posted to the debit of sales account as 5,000. Cash sales 2,000. When you are selling goods and you are receiving cash, entry will be cash account debit to sales. Cash account debit to sales account. Amount is 2,000. Amount is 2,000. Now you see, cash sales 2,000 are posted to the debit of sales account. Means cash instead of the sales should have been credited. What has happened here? It has been posted to the debit of sales account. Means sales account should have been credited, but wrongly it has been debited. Means cash was correctly recorded. Means there is nothing wrong in recording the cash. Cash account debit 2,000. But wrongly instead of sales being credited, it has been posted to the debit of sales account. Means wrongly the sales was debited. This is the wrong entry. Sales account debit 2,000. There is no credit is there. Now you can see cash account was to be debited. Cash account has been debited. So no correction is required here. Sales account should have been credited. It has not been credited. So what we have to do? We have to credit sales account to sales account 2,000. So this correction has been done. This sales was wrongly debited. In order to cancel this debit, we will credit sales account with 2,000 more. Already sales account has been credited with 2,000. In order to cancel this sales which has been debited wrongly, we will again credit sales with 2,000 more. Means 2,000 more credits will be written in the sales account. So total amount will be come to 4,000 for sales account. Again, all the correction has been made. Whatever wrong entry was passed. Now there is no other account to be debited because already sales is being credited with 4,000. No other account is to be debited. So instead of this, we will open this, the balance will be transferred to suspense account. Suspense account will be debited with the balance amount, that is the 4,000. This is question number 11. Now in the next video we will solve some more questions, means from the later part of the, you can say, question whatever is left.